Hi guys! Welcome back to Chan's Japanese Kitchen. My name is Ryosuke. On this channel, I want to introduce authentic, delicious, healthy recipes to you. So, today we're gonna make beef sukiyaki. Okay? Let's get cooking! So, sukiyaki is a Japanese hot pot, and the most important part is making the sweet broth called Warishita in Japanese. First, we take half a cup of soy sauce, the same amount of mirin, which is a sweet cooking sake, and also the same amount of water, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Give that all a mix and our warishita is done, guys. Super easy. Next, we need to prepare the ingredients that we will add to the sukiyaki. You guys may not have seen these before, but these are shirataki noodles. They're made from a vegetable called devil's tongue, which I know it doesn't sound appetizing. These usually come packaged in a liquid. So first, we drain that off. Then we parboil them in water for about a minute and drain them again in a colander. This just makes them easier to eat in the sukiyaki. Next, we'll take a block of tofu. Give it a few shakes to get rid of any excess liquid and cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Next up is half a green onion. Cut this diagonally into about 1 centimeter slices and let's set this aside. Also essential to sukiyaki is some mushrooms. I have shiitake here, cut off the stems. And in Japan, we also cut this flower pattern into the top. We do this for a very important reason, because it looks cool. Once that's done, I'm also going to take some Enoki mushrooms and just tear these into small handfuls. Next thing we need to prepare is Chinese Nappa cabbage. Let's cut this into bite-sized chunks and separate the white roots parts from the thinner green leafy parts. That's almost everything done now. But last up, let's cut up those shirataki noodles from earlier into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time to start cooking. Add some olive oil into a frying pan and let that heat over a medium heat. For this recipe, I'll be using some thin strips of beef loin, so spread that evenly over the pan and then add your tofu. It will only take about a minute or so to cook the beef through, so make sure to keep an eye on it and move the beef to the side of the pan so it doesn't overcook. Next, we'll add our green onion and pour over our sukiyaki broth, warishita. Next, we want our mushrooms to get the flavor too, so let's add them in. And the white part of our Chinese cabbage, they will take longer to cook through, so we will add them first. Let's not forget our shiitake. Finally, our shirataki noodles. Put a lid on the pan and we will let this simmer on a low heat for a couple of minutes. And last, we add the green parts of our cabbage. Wait another minute or so and okay, so beef sukiyaki is ready to eat. When I was a child, the beef was very expensive here in Japan. So the sukiyaki was a very special menu, only the celebration day. Happy New Year, birthday, and a Christmas, something like that. So I'm very excited to eat right now. So let's get eat it. Look at this. Here. はい、それではいただきます。It's very sweet. The Warishita sauce is very sweet and very good taste. Let me have some beef. Wow. It's nostalgic, this flavor. It's so good. I want you guys to try this one. This is very good, very delicious dishes. I'm sorry. This is raw egg. Okay. Just mix. Look at this. In Japan, dip in the raw egg. This is Japanese style. I love it. Mmm. It's so nice. Wow, it's awesome. Mmm. I love it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. The sukiyaki is amazing dish. And if you want me to make any other Japanese dishes, please let me know and leave the comment down below. And remember, ごちそうさまでした!